If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these plain t-shirts and transfer them into these cute Sonic the Hedgehog themed shirts for my daughter's birthday, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I am going to be making some custom t-shirts. Tomorrow is my daughter's 4th birthday and she absolutely loves Sonic the Hedgehog. So that's all she talks about every day. She watches the movie all the time, and I just want to show you what I ordered off Amazon to go ahead and make us some shirts. So I didn't realize that there were this many different characters associated with Sonic the Hedgehog cartoon. I had heard of Knuckles and I had heard of Sonic, and Tails. But wait, where's Tails? And I heard of Tails, but I never heard of all these other people. So there's 5 of us total. And of course, she's gonna have Sonic on her shirt. My son is gonna have Tails. My husband is gonna have, not Knuckles, he's gonna have Shadow. She calls him Eyeshadow, but his name is Shadow. Again, I'm just now learning about these additional people. My oldest daughter is gonna be Amy, so this character's name is Amy. I'm going to be, I guess her name is Rose or Rouge, one of them. That's who I'm going to be. So all these extra ones, not sure who any of them are. I think his name is Silver. Don't know who they are. But I'll give you the link to where I purchased this from. So you may have a son or daughter that likes Sonic the Hedgehog as well. Because look, they literally give you the birthday boy cutout as well. Then it also has birthday squad. I'm not going to put the birthday squad on our shirts. But you have the option birthday squad. So it's I think 4 birthday squad words. Then they even have the option. This is great if you don't have your own like silhouette cameo, or if you don't have a Cricut cutter. It even has the option to put brother. So I could put like brother on one. You could add little brother, make it little sister. You could put daddy and mommy. I don't think I'm gonna do all of those. Then these people, I'll figure out who they are. But then, because I was like, why they just had the birthday boy part? Girls like Sonic too. And then look, they have the birthday girl. So I may use this birthday girl, or I may cut out my own because hers is going to have the Sonic on it. They have the numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is cool. I may use the 4, but I want to add my own 4. I want it to be bigger and I want it to be blue. And then the words I am, to put whatever age your child is. And I think this is like really cool. Oh, and then there's this mean looking yellow Sonic as well. So you get quite a bit, and I think this was only about $14, which is really good because I was on some other website and I was only gonna get like Tails and Sonic for about 18 bucks. So I'm glad I went to Amazon. So I have our shirts, and I'm gonna go ahead and start ironing everything on. Now I've already heated up my iron. I'm using a regular home iron. I do have a heat press machine, but I'm just gonna use my iron just to show you how simple this can be. Now what you do want to do is you want to cut the steam off. You turn your steam off on your iron, let it get hot, put it on the highest setting, which is usually cotton, and I'm just gonna go one by one. This is a shirt my son already had. It came from Target. My husband's shirt is a Target shirt as well. It's called Goodfellow brand. And then the shirt that I'm using for me and my daughters, theirs are Cat and Jack from, Cat and Jack from Target. And then mine is also from Target. It's a New Day brand. So I'm going to use my pressing pillow because it just makes it a lot better when you use a press pillow for whatever reason. And then I have a Teflon sheet to put over it as well. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to put my press pillow inside. Whenever you're making your custom shirts, what you want to do is just get the wrinkles out first. You don't want to have a shirt that's really wrinkly and then try to iron something on top of it. So you just kind of make sure you get the wrinkles the wrinkles out like that. Okay. Now you just kind of center it in the middle. If you have like a t-shirt ruler, that's really good, but for the most part you can just kind of eyeball it by kind of lining things up with the tag. Let's see. You have that part figured out. You put your Teflon sheet right on top of it, and then what you'll do for I would say about 12 to 15 seconds, you would just evenly go over the transfer. Make sure you cover all the edges nice and even. You can go in a circular motion back and forth, but just make sure you go over the entire transfer. Okay, then you give it a second. And then you just gently go ahead and peel it off just like that, and you have your customized shirt already. Again, I'm not going to add the birthday squad to it, but if that's what you want to do, you can put that here, or maybe you can do it on top and move that down. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest. Okay, so I'm starting on my daughter's shirt now. I have my phone there because I recorded a short to show how I did her shirt. Everything is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you watch how I did the rest. I don't want to do too much rambling, but this was very simple. Whatever theme your child has, just look it up online. They should definitely have whatever character you're looking for, no matter how rare it is, or you may not think they have it. Somebody has it. These DTF transfers come in handy, and they are pretty common. So for her shirt, I'm going to add a little razzle dazzle to hers. I cut out some hearts. I cut out happy birthday and the number 4 with this really pretty like royal blue glitter heat transfer vinyl that I had found in the basement. I actually forgot that I had. So you'll see me add that to her shirt, you know, just to make her shirt stand out a little bit. Her shirt is a 5T. It's actually a little big, but it worked out. She needed a 3T. They didn't have it. It was kind of last minute, but it still worked out. So everything came together very nicely. At the end of the video, I'll show you her shoes that I made to match her actual shirt. And also, I already edited the video and put that video out of her shoes. So if you like to see how her shoes came out, you can definitely check that video out as well. So for whatever reason on my shirt, I forgot to use the Teflon sheet. Now, if you don't have the Teflon sheet, or I think you can also use the cookie sheet paper, wax paper. You don't have to have it. You could use a towel, or you could use something else. I just need to go over this a little bit more because it wasn't peeling off as easy as I needed it to. But you can get the Teflon sheets on Amazon. I think I got 3 sheets for like $14. You can get literally everything off Amazon. A press pillow was probably about 15 bucks. I bought it many years ago, but you can look on there and check the price. For this shirt, because it was a bigger shirt, I decided to stand up to get a better view of it, because I've put things on shirts crooked before when it was a bigger shirt, because I just kind of didn't eyeball it right. So that's just a tip also. Okay, so these characters, whom I don't really know their names, this is just an extra shirt. No one's going to wear this one on my daughter's birthday. Because she loves them, I'm going to make sure that all these characters get used up on some shirts. So I had some extra blank shirts, so I pulled this one out. This will be a shirt that she'll wear on another day. So that's what this shirt is about, if you were wondering. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these shirts. These shirts came out so cute. They're so adorable. The sizes of the characters on the shirt are like perfect. And again, that's Shadow. In the middle, that's Rouge. So that's me and my husband's shirt. And then my son's shirt is the top right, Tails. At the bottom is Amy and Sonic. And then this is the random shirt I was telling you about that she'll just wear on another day, just because she loves the whole franchise, I guess you would call it. She loves the movie, the cartoons, the franchise. There's so many different versions of it on Netflix. I didn't even know. And she likes them all. But this was actually a very cute idea. We've never done anything like this before. As far as us all wearing shirts together, we've never done that, but we did this for her because we know how much she likes these characters, and I thought it would be a really cute idea. Everybody was on board with it, so this is what we did. Because you know how some families go to Disney World and they all have family Disney shirts with the year and stuff like that. And I actually, fun fact, I used to make shirts like as a side hustle. Many years ago. I just stopped because I just didn't want to deal with it anymore, but I used to make shirts. So I made a lot of shirts for people who went to Disney World. They'd be like 10, 12 deep, and everybody would have on a t-shirt. We went to Disney World multiple times, but we just never thought to wear the shirts. Now, I'm putting these shoes on here just to show you the shoes I did for her birthday. They hadn't been worn yet. They're clean. These are clean shoes. I'm just kind of sitting here just showing you how everything kind of pulled together. And again, I do have the video already edited, so that's in a watch list with all shoes that I've done, so it should be easy to find, or I could put it at the end of this video. But thanks you guys so much for watching. I'll have the links available where you can get everything. Give this video a thumbs up, share it if you want to, subscribe if you want to. Thanks again. Bye bye. Website myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. And you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe. Bye-bye.